Hello, so today I'm making a cover for a throw pillow, specifically this pillow that my parents just gave me because when I was visiting their house over Thanksgiving, their perfect little dog chewed a hole in the corner. They thought maybe I would want it to mend it, and I decided to just go ahead and just cover the whole thing. It's a pretty heavyweight fabric, and so I'm just gonna cover it in actually a lighter fabric, but this will keep the structure of the pillow pretty well. And the fabric I'm gonna use to cover it are these pieces that I dyed with indigo, with my natural indigo vat that I made this summer. And these were just my test pieces, learning how to do different shades. And so I have a few of them, and these are gonna be the front of the cushion. And so I'll figure that out, and then I have some undyed muslin that I'm gonna use for the back of the cushion. To start, I'm just gonna lay these pieces over the top of the cushion, and just to kind of see how I need to sew them together. This one I dyed using a shibori technique, and I followed the directions in this book that I have. I'm not gonna say it didn't turn out. It turned out just fine. It is kind of cool, but it didn't look quite as nice as the picture in the book. I'm gonna cut this in half this way, I think, and then lay it. It'll be like this, just kind of top row. Before I start sewing the front, I'm going to cut the back pieces. 2 pieces of fabric that overlap, and then you just kind of open the opening and stuff the pillow insert inside. I'm just gonna cut this in half, and then I have my 2 pieces for the back. I just need to start pinning and sewing. I'm just not gonna pin this. So here's my front piece. And now let me just lay it over the top of this again and check and make sure it's the right size. Because pretty much every pillow cover I've made has been too big. Because I think I'm like so afraid of making them too small and like it's not gonna fit in the insert. But honestly, it's more of a problem when they're too big because then they're like loose. This looks like it should be the right size. Let's just pray that this is neither too big nor too small. Look, we got a little pocket. Now we just need another little pocket and then it's done. Is it gonna fit? These little feathers to get in there. Moment of truth. I actually think it's the perfect size. Okay, it's done. And I really like this as the top border. I think that turned out really well. And I'm happy with it. I think it'll look cool on my couch. I have this cushion and I actually made the insert as well out of wool. And then I made this, which are also samples from my indigo vat. I love that this looks like a face with like eyes and a nose. So my ideal setup is to have this one in the middle, that one over there, and then another one of the same size and also dyed with indigo, but put together differently somehow, and that goes right here. But for now, I just have these two. I don't know, they're just there. Thanks for watching me make this. I hope no one was too frustrated with my sewing skills. I'll try to get better. If you want to see more videos, mostly of me struggling with sewing and other things that I don't know enough about, you can check out my channel, subscribe to my channel to see more, and have a nice day.